Faizan here and welcome back to my channel Big by Faizan. So today in this video I will be sharing how to make protein pancakes, oats protein pancakes using this whey protein of Muscle Blaze, and the recipe, which is the healthiest pancake recipe I'm sharing in this video. You can have that in the breakfast or after workout, and watch this video until end so you will know how to make proper and perfect protein pancakes at home. And also I will be sharing how to have that pancake and whatever you can use in the replacement of sugar in that recipe. Yes, so without any further delay, let's begin with the recipe. So to begin with the recipe of the healthiest banana pancake, protein pancake, you need a bowl, and into that bowl I'm adding eggs. We need 2 whole eggs, which should be at room temperature. Whenever you bake anything, always use the ingredients which are at room temperature. Now here I am adding vanilla essence. 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence is enough. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of sugar just to taste. If you want to skip the sugar or want to add any other sweetener like erythritol or stevia or honey, then that is also fine. Half cup of milk, skimmed milk I am using. After adding the milk into your eggs and sugar, by using a whisker, mix it thoroughly until well combined and sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar dissolves completely with the milk and the eggs, add in oats. This is normal roll oats I am using in this recipe. If you want, you can use oats flour that is available in the market. And 1 full scoop of whey protein. This is chocolate flavor whey protein. If you want your pancakes to be non-chocolatey or simple, you can use raw unflavored whey protein in this recipe. That is totally fine and works well. And a pinch of cinnamon powder. And here 1 teaspoon of baking powder goes in my bowl along with the cinnamon powder and all the dry ingredients. To make the work more easier and feasible for you, you can sieve the dry ingredients into a separate bowl and just combine the dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. That's it. Here I am using my rubber spatula to mix it. You also can use a blender or a grinder to mix this batter. That is also works fine. Mix it thoroughly until well combined, and you will not smooth, but yes, quite fine batter out of these ingredients. See, it was thick in the initial stage, now it is getting thinner as I am mixing it. It smells so good and so healthy, this pancake. I love every pancake, and this is healthiest one. Here you can see the batter, it has bubbles. It's because of baking powder, because of whey protein in it. Now heat the griddle or a pan over medium heat and pour the batter slowly with a ladle. Now after pouring the batter over a hot griddle, wait until you see bubbles appearing on the surface of your pancake. As you can see, it has started spreading and getting bigger in diameter. And when you see bubbles appearing on the surface of your pancake, just flip it to cook from the other side. Aha! So perfect. They are supposed to have this pancake. Like you can fruits with honey, or like you can have it as it is, or with treacle, or everyone's favorite, maple syrup. But here I am having this pancake with banana slices and honey. Don't forget to share this video with the people who love fitness and fitness freak, and with your loved ones. And also hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so you will get the notification in the future. So here my protein pancake is ready to maintain good muscles. I'm damn sure you're gonna love this recipe, which is very simple and easy. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and do comment below what recipes you want me to share in the future. So until next time, have a great day.